Why do thousands of beginners trust K9 Investments to start their crypto journey? Let's find out. First, head over to K9 Investments website and create an account. It's super simple and takes just a few minutes. After signing up, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a crucial step to keep your account secure. Once you're verified, it's time to deposit funds. You can use your bank account or a credit card. Easy peasy. Next, explore the trading platform. K9 Investments offers user-friendly tools that make trading a breeze, even for beginners. Now, to choose your first cryptocurrency to trade, do a bit of research. Look into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other popular options. Found your pick? Great! Use K9 Investments' intuitive interface to make your first trade. Remember, start small, and as you gain confidence, you can invest more. Need more tips and tricks? Subscribe to our channel for more videos, and there you have it. Start your crypto trading journey with K9 Investments today. Happy trading!